Hi guys, welcome to Veganuary day 2. So today in real time is actually New Year's Day. Sorry for the little scritchy scratchy in the background there. Sean is working on his Lego set. At least he's not chattering right now. But today I am going to be cooking out of the Well Your World YouTube Favorites cookbook. So I'm sure a lot of you people who watch this channel know Dylan and Reebs. I love them. I have 3 of their cookbooks. A lot of their recipes are on their YouTube channel for free, but I love to support other YouTube creators. And it's nice to have a physical copy of the recipe that I could just page through and have right there. So today, traditionally, for New Year's, we're having Hoppin. It's basically greens and beans, black-eyed peas, and we're having kale today, but they use collards. We're doing it in the Instant Pot because we're doing it very simply, and that is their philosophy for their channel. If cooking is hard, you're going to get takeout.
No,
and that's true. That's absolutely true. I don't know of anybody who says, I want to spend more time cooking in the kitchen before I eat. I want to spend hours. No, we want to put everything in the pot, turn it on, leave, come back, and it's ready to go. That's the ultimate. Just cook it, eat it, clean it up, you're done. So they have a lot of great recipes in their cookbook. This is the YouTube Favorites one. I believe they also have a holiday one. They have, I don't remember all the different themes, but fantastic. All of their recipes are super easy, super healthy, and quick. They even give suggestions for shortcuts, like using already chopped up frozen vegetables and stuff like that. Fantastic. Love it. Less time in the kitchen, more time doing what you love to do. So, very simple recipe. I have all of the ingredients right here. It might look like a lot, but I'm making a lot because I want to have this for lunch tomorrow as well. So the star of the show is the black-eyed peas. And you don't even have to soak them overnight. We're doing this right in the Instant Pot. So I'm going to tear into this bag. Can she do it? Yes, she can. All right. We're putting the black-eyed peas in here. We're also using brown rice. Usually, when I do this, I would do the rice separately, but they say do it all together. So I got my rice. I have my garlic, which I'm going to do in my press because I'm lazy and it's okay. I mean, it's not really lazy. It's just minced garlic. That's all. I am going to change the recipe a little bit because would it be a vegan as fork recipe if I didn't change it? I don't have all of the, oh my god, the garlic is just like, eat me. I love it. All of the spices that they have singly, I have in Italian seasoning. So I'm just going to use Italian seasoning. Don't worry, I'm going to sharpen my knife later. I know everybody's cringing. It's okay. So then we got our garlic in there. We have some beautiful red peppers that I cut up and some purple onion as well. So that's all going in there. So simple. I love this. This is the first year I'm also making my Hoppin' John without any mock meat in it, which is a step in the healthy right direction for me because I think in the past I've relied on mock meat a little bit too much and now it's time to like say goodbye to it. We have our spices here. We have some cumin. We have paprika. We have onion powder, and here is the Italian seasoning, which is like marjoram, oregano, basil, you know, all the good stuff. So that's going in. We have, for flavor, some organic diced green chilies. These are the mild ones, so I'm not going to get any complaints because my family does not like spicy food. I've used these before on taco night. Oops. And nobody has complained. They say to use 2 15-ounce cans of tomato, but I like a lot of tomato, and I'm doubling up on the rice. So I'm adding more tomato. So I have 2 28-ounce cans of diced tomatoes here. So I'm just going to dump them in. I might have to put my liquid in there and clean that out a little bit to get all of the tomato that I paid for out of that can. My dad would always say, make sure you get everything out of the can. You paid for it.
Absolutely.
Yes. I know, right? We got our tomato.
Yep.
Get it all out. This one's a little bit better. Also, I'm going to be using some veggie broth instead of just plain water. So there's 4 cups here. They say to use 3, but like I said, I doubled up on the rice, so I need more liquid.
Here's your liquid.
Yep, so I'm just going to rinse out my can here.
Beautiful.
Right? My dad would be proud. He's probably smiling down on me right now. Hopefully not smiling up. Alright, so I'm going to put in the rest of my liquid. And I'm going to give this a good mix. And that's basically it. Except for the kale. When this finishes in the Instant Pot, you don't need much to wilt the kale because it is baby kale to boot. So it's even smaller. Because my husband went to the store and picked me up some beautiful kale, and he got baby kale. So
did.
It's kind of like baby spinach.
That was pretty much my only choice.
Oh, really?
Except for like a chopped kit, which you didn't want.
Oh, I did want that.
You didn't tell me that.
Okay, well, the baby kale works. So I'm just going to clean off the top of this because we don't want to have any problems with the pressure cooker sealing. So make sure that when you do your pressure cooker, you wipe the top off because it might not seal correctly. So we're just going to put this in here. We're going to pop the lid on. It would probably help if we plugged it in.
Yeah, I guess.
Right?
Don't you have a wood-fired Instant Pot?
No, I wish. Alright, so we're going to do pressure cook, 25 minutes. And we're going to do natural release. So I think everything is set to just start. It will seal automatically. When it finishes, it will turn off. I'm going to unplug it and let it naturally release. And we'll be ready to eat after we stir in the kale. So easy. Dinner is prepared. I'm going to squeeze by my dog over here who's eating his dinner. As you can see, I already mixed in the baby kale. This is how it came out. Not too soupy. Pretty good consistency here. So I'm going to serve some of this up because I'm hungry. It's almost 8 o'clock.
Oh, darn.
This is the time we usually eat, though. Squeeze by the dog again. Alright, so I like some lemon juice on mine. And I also like hot sauce on mine. So I'm gonna, this is how I would eat it. It's super hot because it just came out. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. Let's see. It's really hot. Very good. The beans or the peas are very nice and soft. I hate sometimes if you make beans from dried and you have to wait forever and then they're still hard. These are perfectly cooked. The rice is not mushy. Everything is a great flavor. It could use a little bit of salt. I'm not used to the SOS free way of cooking yet. I do eat less salt than the average person, I feel like, though, but this is really good. Like, can I have some?
Sir,
You just
please.
had your dinner. You had a very nice dinner. Highly would recommend this. I know. He said go check out wellyourworld.com. They have all of their cookbooks on there now. They have 5 cookbooks. They have digital copies. They have physical copies. They also have a plethora of SOS-free products. And I think they just started introducing soup mixes as well. So check them out if you're into the SOS way of eating and cooking. This is day 2. I hope you enjoyed. I know I'm going to have a very nice dinner right now. I can't wait. We'll be back tomorrow for day 3. Keep on veganing, and we'll see you tomorrow. And until then, much love.